Cycle 4-axles 2-in-1 with fly mode and land mode. You can have more joy to play. Powerful dynamic. 2.4 Hz multiply vehicles running without interference. Change to 4 axles and start fly mode. And air mode switch. Turn the airplane into motorcycle. Firstly, remove the blades and install the corresponding wheel in the groove position. Then, align with the triangle symbol and rotate in the indicated direction to close the tripod and fuselage. Turn the motorcycle into airplane. First step is take the wheel out by rotating it in the direction of the groove. Then, attach the corresponding blades and open the tripod.